Hello?
Hello?
Introducing Max, the artificially intelligent robot with the ability to learn and grow.
What is that?
That's called a television.
Ah, television. How do all those people live in that tiny little box?
Max is your personal arcade
Eek, you're getting good.
and will even test your knowledge.
Are you smarter than a robot?
Yeah, of course.
Then tell me, what is the name of the sixth planet from the sun?
That's a tough one. I'm not sure.
That's okay. It's Saturn.
Max is totally customizable
Whoa, this is what I call a facelift.
and reminds you of important events.
Hey, it's your sister's birthday today. Let's send her something special.
Yeah, totally.
Making sure that nothing stands between you and the ones you love.
Special delivery.
And like everything from Meccano, Max can be rebuilt into almost anything. Yeah, Max can just about do it all and is your new friend. Meet the extraordinary Max, your high-tech artificial intelligence smart bot.
From Spin Master.